Wondering about is kennel cough fatal? Searching for home remedies for kennel cough? Trying to find home remedies for kennel cough for Fido. Attempt the ones found below! Dog owners will agree with me that kennel cough appears to be an incredibly uneasy disease in dogs. In reality, kennel cough in dogs could be compared with a cold in humans. Research indicates that kennel cough is really triggered by a PC virus, not a bacteria or condition as originally believed. Due to it, kennel cough can spread out quickly, and while the signs of it are without a doubt scary to listen to, getting kennel cough is not always an indication of something more unsafe or serious. So all you pet dog owners available, no should fret. All you'll have to do is seek different home remedies for kennel cough. This is because, fortunately, most instances of kennel cough do not need healthcare focus.There are a number of various nostrum for kennel cough. Several of them consist of traditional house treatments, home steaming treatments, soothing botanicals, and homeopathic remedies. Below you will certainly find higher specifics about these various treatments listed below.House. Steaming TreatmentsMany animal owners concur that this is one of the most efficient procedures of addressing kennel cough in pet dogs. It includes placing of a vaporizer that has warm water in a room. Hot showers are also ideal for giving this sort of vapor treatment. It is a good idea that pet dog owners execute this process at the very least 3 times in the period of some day. One of the good things to understand is that these of the cheapest methods made use of in guaranteeing that kennel cough is removed. With this procedure, the steam produced really opens up the dog's bronchial tubes, which stops stopping up of mucus or other discharges from lodging in a pet dog's lungs. Once these bronchial tubes are clear, the kennel cough signs will be gone.Standard. Home ProceduresThis treatment consists of easy actions that can be done in your home to eliminate the kennel cough infection from your dog's device. For instance, pet dog owners must make sure that their pet dogs are kept in tidy kennels. A good way to do this is to ensure your dog is appropriately toilet trained, to ensure that they are not relaxing or staying in moist areas from unmindful urination. An additional crucial point to bear in mind is to guarantee that your pet consumes healthy and balanced and regularly. This will certainly reduce their vulnerabilities to various infections. Wet food and fresh food help in this, enabling your canine to heal faster than expected.Comforting. BotanicalsThere are different products on the marketplace that can be used by dog owners as nostrum for kennel cough. These items help in reinforcing the invulnerable device of your pet dog in order to protect against infections. Some of these items feature Plantago Lanceolata, Bryonia C6, and Echinacea. Purpurea.Homeopathic Remedies. Natural remedies prove to be the most reliable nostrum for kennel cough. These treatments feature KC self-defense, K and homeopathic nose comfort. Guarantee that you use these home remedies as instructed in order for them to be efficient.With the log of nostrum for kennel cough offered to dog owners, I make sure you could agree with us in that there is no need to be overly worried if your pet deals this infection. While kennel cough signs might seem unpleasant when your pet dog is experiencing them, in the system of things, they are absolutely nothing to significant.If you are unsure about the cough though, I want to tell you about a way you can be sure. If you have any other questions about is kennel cough fatal? If you have health concerns for your dog, you'll appreciate it as a resource. So remember, you can find the answers to your questions like is kennel cough fatal will help you rest assured your dog is okay.